We are doing a half up braided look. Today we started out by prepping her hair and we curled it.
It's called Support Me, and what it really does, it adds texture and volume, and actually has a little bit of a heat setting factor. So it's a protection and a curl support for this particular look.
And next we're going to add a little bit of this big sexy Power Play Light.
And this product here, what it does, it actually acts as a back combing support so that it gives texture and makes the back combing less damaging to the natural hair.
As I'm back combing, I am smoothing it out just a little bit, just to not see any snags. And what I'm doing right now is sectioning out her front pieces in front of the ear, so I can use these sections right here to bring back for a braid. And then I'm going to take right above the occipital to be able to do the half part pieces and twist.
So we're going to use manipulator, and what we're doing with manipulator is we're going to take and smooth out any little short pieces that want to stray out of the braid, and it'll help control it as she moves around the head.
And we will start this braid.
And you see how the manipulator actually does tame the hair while smoothing that under the braid. It's a very nice product for that. What's great about manipulator is that it does stay movable, but it also still sets a bit too, which is kind of an interesting concept as opposed to a clay or a paste that sets up and you can't continue to manipulate it. And you see by putting the pin in and supporting the braid, you see how it kind of supports the lift in the crown. It's very important that you give that round feel to give it a fresh, modern look.
To go back through, you can add just a little bit more height right up here.
So what Tosha's doing now, she's working that manipulator through the hair to get ready to do the braid on the other side to give that polished feel and control. And just because Tosha's braiding underneath, it doesn't really matter what the braid is. It's about the foundation of the bump and then the flexibility and the support of that bump by using the braid as a headband.
Oh, thank you. Right up underneath and tucking it under.
You know, another great place to personalize this look is after you get the braid put together in the center, you can either tuck the ends, you can fluff it. It's whatever your personality is that's going to make it really unique to you.
Decided just to go ahead and leave this down and then finish with our Sebastian Plus.